I don't know why.
Welcome, or perhaps welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking out my knotless braids. I haven't done much to maintain them at this point just because I just haven't refreshed it. I do make sure to put on a bonnet every night, but it still kind of looks, it doesn't look as frizzy, it's more so just dirty. And I got it in color 30, and I'm not sure of the inch, but I've really enjoyed having them. I also have clips of when I first got them. So this is what my hair looked like when I first got it done, and I loved it. Here are the parts. I thought they were super crisp, and this was my first time again ever getting knotless, so I just was so in love with this style, and just the lady was also super gentle. They're pretty long. They go down to at least here. And simply because of the hair growth, my hair also, obviously it got longer because of the growth. I'm not 100% sure of the plan, but as of lately, since I've taken out braids, the more I take out braids, the easier and quicker it is for me to take them out. So I hope that's the case again. But I have not had braids for like 2 or 3 years, and this is the first time I've ever gotten knotless. So since I do live in a dorm and I might have to walk out of my room, I am going to section a different way. So I'm just gonna do this, put the scrunchie here, and then I have a back scrunchie. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut all of these, and I'm estimating just kind of right here. This is a color 30, and clearly my hair is not color 30, so I can kind of tell a little bit, but I'm gonna go here. I just hope I don't make a mess on my floor. Normally I do this while I'm sitting down. I'm just gonna kind of use this and take it out this way. You guys can tell I'm getting butterfly luck soon, so I'm really excited about that. But I do have to wash and blow dry my hair in one night and take this out. So I'm trying to root for me, honestly.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you.
I don't know how true that is, that I can get this done. I'm pretty sure I can. This was my first time ever getting color 30. And I'm going to be using Olaplex for after I take everything out, because I'll be blow drying my hair again. And this is what it's kind of looking like as it's out. These are for sure the longest braids I've ever had. Normally, like in my old stuff, I can show a picture, I had them long, but I don't feel like they were this long. And these aren't even considered long to people, considering the fact that people get like knee length and all of that now. So this is such a pretty color. I smell like the new Kayali fragrance. It's lingering all through my hair. I don't want to show my actual hair coming out, so I think I'm gonna try to Alright, so this was the first ball. Not me thinking about my next protective style while I'm taking out the old one. But I also think about that when I get new ones too. So I already scheduled ahead for an appointment, and I'm getting my hair done in September and October because I have too much going on with like internships and all of that. Like I need my hair done. I need my hair done. And I'm sick of trying to do my own hair.
I ain't knocking down nobody that get their hair done on the regular, because poo, that's the as you should. But poo, if you can't at least do a decent ponytail, you cannot talk.
Not me giving up on myself. No, it's really just I'm always tired and I feel like I don't have time to. And I feel like some stylists are getting better at not like overbooking you and like overlapping you and that was a huge problem that I had in the beginning. Comment down below if you are the type that's like, I know how to do my hair, so I'm not gonna pay someone, or are you the type that's like, I know I do my hair, but I'm tired, so I kind of just want to pay someone to do my hair, if it's worth it. Because I feel like everyone's all over the place now with how people have been out of pocket these days. I think I want like boho braids though. Sorry, y'all, I live in a dorm, so if you hear random people laughing, that's why. See the length check of this. Back in the day when I used to get micro braids, would not wish that on anybody. Me having to take those out and go to school the next day, like a nightmare I would never want to repeat under any circumstance. Okay, so now this is what it's looking like. I only have these left. I have been watching TV while I've been doing this. So my hair is clearly, I'm gonna try to keep my hair in these sections, and I still have to move my car before 4 a.m. So there's that. I feel like as I keep on, I'm not using this as much. I'm more so just using my fingers. And it's definitely easier to undo once it gets to the thicker part of the braid. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the process of prepping my hair, washing it, deep conditioning it. I don't know if I'll have the strength to blow dry it, but I really need to blow dry it tonight if I start it, so I might just go to sleep with my pre-poo in, or some type of old pre-poo maybe to help with detangling, and then wake up tomorrow morning and then blow dry my hair that way. No, I think I need to do it all tonight. I think I'm gonna have to stay up. You guys see that? Just gunk. Yeah, so I might have to, because my car is parked at Stadium here, and where my car is parked at, I have to move it for a football game tomorrow, and so it has to be gone by 4 in the morning. So I was wanting to get everything done so I wouldn't have to be walking at in the middle of the day sweating my new blow dried hair out. If I wash my hair, wake up early in the morning, wash my hair tomorrow, then blow dry it, it won't be done by 4 in the morning. And I'll have to walk like 25 minutes away, a good sweating hike, just to get my car, versus if I like do my hair now. But I would have to leave at like 4 in the morning, which is what I think I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to leave. I'm gonna try to wash my hair and everything tonight, pack up and everything tonight, and then drive. At least be out of the lot by like 3 in the morning. 3:50 maybe I could leave. So that way I don't have to walk and like sweat my hair out. but I could go take it now, like at 11 p.m. or something, walk to go do that, have my friend go with me, but I would still be almost sweating out my blow-dried hair tomorrow, like whatever time I do get done blow-drying it. And I just don't know if I can be okay with that versus if I just leave at 3 or almost 4 in the morning in my car. I won't have to walk sweating distance up the mountains. But I just don't know how realistic it is that I will be ready to leave at 3:50 a.m. Definitely gonna do the Olaplex Zero, Olaplex 3, shampoo with Olaplex, conditioner with Olaplex. I might use like their Moisture 8 deep conditioner. And I have their 4C shampoo, which is amazing, phenomenal. So I'm gonna definitely use that. But I'm not really here for the long wash days anymore. For the most part, it's pretty quick, but it is kind of more difficult when you have productive styles, of course. So I'm like trying to debate and see if I should get, I don't know if I should get tribal braids, like the lemonade tribal braids that are like 2 layers, or if I should just get knotless again, because for the styles that I book for, it all costs the same, because it takes at least 6 hours, because they do like the small little layers, and then they do, I kind of only want to just do it for like a different part scenery, but I don't know. I'm not really sure how I feel about that. That's what I kind of want to do. I'm gonna show a picture of this one girl's hair that she did in that style and how good it looked. It just looked so good. But my hair goes out so fast though, so I feel like it wouldn't last as long. Like my hair would look fuzzy really quick, and that's the only thing I'm worried about, is like my hair looking really fuzzy super quick. But I kind of do want to get something different, so I might do it. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever had tribal braids before. My hair looks crazy. Let me know if you've ever had them, because I'm thinking about getting them. Also, I feel like they would be kind of easier to take out since they're kind of just like cornrows with additional hair, except it's kind of smaller. But I do feel like it would kind of hurt more than just like the typical parting and, you know, doing your hair. I feel like it would kind of hurt. My head is really sensitive, and I think it's ironic how it always be the people with like thick hair that has the most sensitive hair, you know? My head is itching so bad from all the gunk. Alright, I've already kind of sectioned my dirty hair off. Alright, so this is the preview that I'm using. I'm just trying to get out the tangles.